your standing is Wrigley Greenbelt. We're really glad to have you here today. Of course, we're super grateful for Blueshield's support.
I wanted to thank the Corps for all their great work and their friendship and partnership. We're grateful for the opportunity to support the community.
My name is Bayless Beard. I'm the Director of Sustainability for Blueshield of California. Today we're here with 40 Blueshield of California employees weeding and picking up trash in this Greenbelt Park. This is really a vital part of the way that we show up as a new member in the Long Beach community. And this is our first big volunteer event to help make sure that we have green, healthy spaces accessible for Long Beach.
My name is Marieli Medina. I just started as a River Ranger Ambassador with the Long Beach Conservation Corps. So with Blueshield today we're working with volunteers, essentially just going around our park here, taking out some weeds, helping our natural native species, and pretty much assisting in taking out those weeds that would normally come and invade and essentially take over the land.